He did not disappoint me. He made a thorough research. The defense has made a thorough research and has presented it beautifully.
Do you agree that the media is focused on the salacious comments?
Yes. Sorry to say, yeah.
Attorney, were you happy that Attorney Nicholas Kaufman brought up the statements pertaining about jurisdiction issue?
Yes, of course.
So far, you are very happy with the presentation inside.
He did not disappoint me.
Sir, ano yung striking na ginawa ho kanina ni Kaufman?
Well, there is an important prosecution theory or evidence, according to it, that would show that there is murderous intent and there is a plan to kill. And that was the document, circular of the PNP, which it highlighted on the word neutralize.
Opo.
And yet the very document says that you should effect the arrest following the laws as well as the rules on engagement. And that's why Attorney Kaufman was saying, you're presenting a document which is against your own case. Because that very document shows that the PNP is following the laws of the country.
Pero that's contrary to what the prosecution has presented earlier. I mean, in the previous days po, attorney.
Yes, kasi nga they're saying na yung circular na yon says na that is the command. The word neutralize means kill them.
Opo, opo.
Attorney, sinabi po ni Attorney Kaufman na walang sapat ebidensya, there's no sufficient grounds.
There's what? Yeah.
No sufficient grounds. Okay. Now, na-interview po natin kami kanina ni si Father Bert Alejo na
Yes.
siya po yung alam natin kumupkop sa ilan sa mga witnesses at sinabi po niya na nangyari yon at meron silang insider witness. So, what can you say about this? Yung bilang patotoo, although he's there as an observer, Father Bert Alejo,
About
sinabi po niya na totoong nangyari yon kasi sila mismo ang tumanggap ng order from
may witness sila?
taas. Yung sinasabi pong insider witness na ano.
Eh bakit di sinight na prosecution? Kung totoo yan. That should have been cited with the prosecution, that it has a witness who will testify directly that the president ordered him or her to effect
Karamihan po
the killing.
So most of the, Attorney Kaufman has cited mostly yung sa prosecution, puro speeches lang yung kanilang, the speeches of former President Duterte.
Plus yung circular, yun nga ang inaano
Opo.
na, yung speech tapos yung circular parang 1 plus 1 equals 2. Eh pero lumalabas ngayon, the very document itself destroys your cause.
What is your comment also doon sa pagbanat ni Kaufman na tungkol sa crime against humanity allegation laban kay Duterte, saying na hindi naman buong civilian population ang tinarget?
Well, that's
naman?
very true.
Yeah.
It's not the entire, can you imagine 100, how many, 110 million Filipinos? If you will follow the prosecution's theory, Mr. Duterte, when he declared war on drugs, he was targeting the entire population. As correctly pointed out by Attorney Kaufman, it was only limited to those perceived to be or suspected to be criminals.
But sabi din po niya, napakaliit daw ng mga bilang ng mga napatay kumpara sa libo-libo mga lehitimong naaresto. But even if maliit yung bilang ng mga namatay, these are lives lost.
That is not the number one. How will you explain that there are more than 100 policemen killed during police drug operation? More than 100 also, and the record will show that, have been seriously injured. If it is true that these people were killed senselessly, defenseless, how would you explain that? Paano napatay itong mga pulis na ito? Paano ito nasugatan? kung walang, according to the prosecution, never na naglaban, talaga may mamamatay pag you're involved in a drug syndicate and you're addicted to it. Talaga may hindi ka susuko ng peacefully. Talagang lalaban at lalaban.
Dinefine din po ni Kaufman yung salitang tokhang, means knock and plead. Totally legitimate police strategy. However, dun daw po sa citation ng prosecution, tokhang means criminal modus operandi. But these are two definition, two interpretation. So, parang meron po bang binigay doon si Kaufman na talagang magpapatunay na this is just a policy?
As explained by Senator Bato when he was still the Chief PNP, yun ang meaning na binigay niya. At yun ang pagkakaintindi naman ng lahat doon sa lugar nila.
So attorney, in a nutshell, for the 2 sessions ngayong kanyang umaga at ngayong tanghali, kayo ho ba satisfied with the way attorney?
As I said, he did not disappoint me.
Okay.
He made a thorough research. Saka tanda, yung sinasabi mo na may mga napatay. There's no question about may napatay. We're not questioning about na walang napatay. Ang sinasabi namin, this is a criminal case. Kung may napatay, you cannot just point to somebody like Duterte making an order through his speeches and tapos konektado na kagad sa pagpatay. You have to prove to us. Like for instance, the claim of 30,000 people being killed. Nasaan yun? Where are they? We have to know the names, the circumstances of their deaths, who killed them, what time, where, what day. Wala yun lahat eh.
Pero isn't that in the stage of the case, hindi pa dapat pwedeng...
Hindi, dapat, kaya ka nga confirmation of charges, you have to show substantial ground. Wala nga eh.
Lagi po kasi sinasabi na ipipresenta nila yung mga insider witnesses, gano'n, pag natuloy na po sa tuluyang paglilitis. Yun po ang sinasabi lagi ng prosecution.
Substantial ground nga eh. Dapat pinipresenta na nila yan.